Hey, I'm Varish, and welcome to my channel, Mindwork and Metaverse, where AI meets the future and we break down what's coming next. Today, we're exploring
Part 5. Integration into the digital studio. In today's fast-evolving creative world, AI is changing the way digital studios work, streamlining tasks, boosting productivity, transforming workflows. AI-powered tools are now part of video editing, graphic design, sound production, and motion graphics. They help creators automate repetitive tasks, generate content faster, and explore entirely new ideas. These platforms can analyze data, predict outcomes, and assist in content creation, building smarter workflows that accelerate timelines while maintaining high quality. Whether it's real-time collaboration or AI-assisted editing, studios can now work more efficiently, produce better content, and push the limits of what's possible in digital media. AI is quickly becoming an essential tool in the creation of films, advertisements, video games, and multimedia projects. And, in my opinion, these are the three platforms driving AI's full integration into the modern digital studio. Number 1. Runway ML. Strengths: an all-in-one creative suite. It combines video editing, image generation, text-to-video, and powerful AI effects, all in one platform. Real-time collaboration. Teams can work together seamlessly, especially in fast-paced production environments. And an intuitive interface. It's easy to use for beginners and professionals, with integrations for popular editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Weaknesses: limited fine control, precise adjustments can be tricky, especially for complex edits, and pricing. Premium features, including high-quality exports, can become expensive. Best for video creators, artists, and designers who need an all-in-one AI platform, especially in collaborative environments. Number 2. Adobe Sensei. Strengths: comprehensive AI integration. It's deeply built into Adobe Creative Cloud for editing, content creation, and automation. Powerful automation? It handles repetitive tasks like object recognition and smooth scene transitions automatically. Seamless integration. It works effortlessly across Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Weaknesses: high learning curve. It takes time to master, especially for beginners, and cost. The full Adobe suite can be expensive for solo creators and smaller studios. Best for professional studios and advanced creators already working inside Adobe who want powerful AI-enhanced editing tools. Next up, Magisto by Vimeo. Strengths: AI-powered video editing. It automatically edits your footage with effects, music, and transitions. Cloud-based and collaborative. Perfect for remote teams with easy sharing and smooth collaboration. User-friendly for beginners. Designed for all skill levels with simple templates and automatic video creation. Weaknesses: limited customization. You get less control over edits compared to professional tools. Quality control. Automated editing may not always match your exact creative vision. Best for small studios, marketers, and social media creators who need quick, AI-powered video editing with basic customization. These platforms are leading the charge toward full studio integration, offering a powerful mix of creativity, collaboration, and automation, all powered by AI. Each one is suited to different user needs, from beginner-friendly tools to professional studio environments. Other potential options include Canva AI Suite, CapCut AI tools, but here's what is really emerging: A digital studio, where you describe a story, and the system writes it, designs it, animates it, voices it, edits it, with minimal manual intervention. This is multimodal integration, not separate tools, a creative engine. The complete transformation, idea to text, to image, to video, to voice, to fully integrated production. From imagination to fully rendered media. In 5 steps. And now, the real question begins. If anyone can create anything, what becomes valuable? Thanks for joining me in this video, and make sure to watch the next part, where we take abstract thought even deeper into virtual reality. If you found this interesting, share it with your friends and spread the word. And, of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next.